Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see about Nifty breakout levels and previous week market analysis also. By watching this video you can gain some knowledge about market and you can also start your trade on your own. For that this video will be very helpful for you. Those who are new to channel, kindly subscribe the channel and select the ring bell for continuous updates of my channel videos. If you feel like the video, kindly select the like button and share it. The channel name is NSC Commodity Trader. By selecting the name of this channel, you will go to homepage. In homepage, you can see more strategy videos, indicator videos. By watching this video, you can gain more knowledge about market. We are also taking more advanced trading strategy class. If you want to know about it, you can WhatsApp or contact the number which is given below the video. If you want to open a demat or trading account, kindly select the link in below description. The account opening process will follow. Nifty. Let's start from the Nifty. What happened in the previous week? On Friday, what happened? If you take a look at on Friday, means it's a little bit volatile day. In the entire week, that Friday only moved market very well, we can say, because from the market opening itself it rallied very well. Just before the Friday market wasn't positive because of the news that came from the S&P Standard and Poor's global rating. The Standard and Poor's global rating gave us a triple B negative this week. So India looks like a recover after within 2-3 years it will recover, so that India maybe the GDP rate will get increased like that. Standard and Poor rating agencies was said. After that, on Friday market opened as a positive news and market rallied very well, and market in that rally it came up to 12,250 also. But during that time news came. After that news came, market started to falling. During that fall it came down up to 12,091 range. It is almost near to the 12,100 range. So on Friday market ended up as a bearish candle. Let's take a look at the weekly candle also, what happened, so that we can see what happened in the week. But this is very lowest week due to previous 2 weeks a very large, very volatile, very huge movement week. This week is very low volatile, very low movement, except Friday. All the 4 days market rallied very slowly. It's not good for intraday traders, but for positional traders it was good. Okay, that was enough for the traders. And in weekly candle it looked like a doji. It formed as a upper resistance of 12,250 and in the lower side 12,000. So it will be like the 12,000 is going to be the major supportive level for the coming week also. Let's come back to the day candle. Meanwhile, let's take a look at what happened in the stocks also. In stocks on Friday, SpaceJet announced a superb result. Its profit rate and revenue, everything has grown very well. Due to that, market share rallied after within the Q3 has been announcement. The 10% rally has been seen. Due to that, it's very positive news for SpaceJet. Since it's a aviation, it's getting a competition from the Indigo. After the exit of Jet Airways, the SpaceJet rallied very well in this quarterly results also. And then next major news that pulled down the market is Vodafone Idea. Not about the Vodafone Idea, it's a big thing AGR case. Let's first take a look at what happened on Friday from the start onwards. Just before the Friday, on Thursday evening, Vodafone Idea announced the Q3 result. Due to the Q3 result has been announced, Vodafone Idea, this is the opening. After it opened, it rallied up to the upside. During that, it was on around 15% positive, but the day ended up as a 15% negative because of your news. The quarter after Q3 announcement, the idea was not announced the biggest loss according to the expectations. Due to that, it was a positive news for the Vodafone Idea, so it rallied to the upside and it maintained the uptrend. But around the mid of the day, like around 11:30 like that, a news came, that is the AGR news came. During that time, Supreme Court asked telecom operators why they shouldn't be held in contempt for not paying dues. Because Supreme Court has issued order on October to pay the due within the January month. But the telecom companies like Vodafone Idea and Bharti Airtel didn't pay the due. They have just escalated it by applying it to the Supreme Court. But Supreme Court has denied those process immediately and they told to pay the due, but they didn't obey the orders. And Supreme Court on today said they don't have any respect for the court directions, like that has been said by the Justice Arun Misra. And he asked, judge also asked the Apex Court summoned the managing director and director of telecom operator on March 17, next date of hearing, and direct them to clear all dues by them. So currently Vodafone Idea and Bharti Airtel need to pay their due on March 17. That was strictly given the order by the Supreme Court. And what is that huge amount? Is it a much amount that a company need to pay? Like that, if you ask me, the amount is like 88,000 crores just from the companies of Vodafone Idea and the Bharti Airtel. The total amount pending is 90,000 crores. In that, 88,000 crores is just from Vodafone Idea and the Bharti Airtel. So if the company has need to pay that much amount, means the company will go bankrupt also. That much is a huge disappointment for the Vodafone Idea, because currently Vodafone Idea is suffering so much, just from their subscriber also rate also very low. Already they are on very low processing, low on the revenue also. Their Q3 also very worst one. So currently, considering the situation, if they are going to pay this 88,000 crores, means it is a very negative news for the Vodafone Idea and Bharti Airtel. It is not only a negative news for the Bharti Airtel and the Vodafone Idea. They are supporting banks also. Due to that only, market started to fall. After that news came of this AGR case, those are all related to this telecom industry companies like Idea and the Airtel. Their shares all started to fall because they are also going to get suffer from this loss also. Due to that, market started to fall. During that fall only, market just falled from the peak to the downside of the 12,090 range. So due to that, Vodafone Idea ended up as a downside of 23%. Meanwhile, Infratel also ended up as a 6% downside. So those stocks has been suffered well. Due to that, the companies that also invested in those Bharti Airtel and then the Idea stock, they also suffered. Like the most suffered one is Nifty PSU bank, public sector bank like SBI, like them. They suffered the most, 2% down. Due to the public sector bank had been down, the private bank, private bank also started to fall, and then Nifty Auto, all the major sector also started to fall due to a huge debt that is going to be collected from the corporate sector. It is such a big news for the corporate sectors. Let's take a look at Nifty levels. Nifty levels, what you can expect on Monday. On Monday, the 12,000 range is the major supportive level. Before that, you need some intraday supportive range. For that intraday supportive range, that is going to be the 12,100 range, because the 12,100 is seen as a major supportive level according to the last 4 weeks. In 4 weeks, if you take look, means whenever it is near the 12,100, market has seen a great support. So whenever market near to 12,100, you can buy Nifty and you can expect it in upside also. And for upper side, the resistance, the first level will be going to be the 12,160 range, because during this 12,160 range, market is facing a strong resistance. According to the last 2 to 3 weeks, whenever market came near to 12,160, market started to rotating or falling, like that has been happened very occasionally in previous weeks. So if market break up above this 12,160, you can buy Nifty again and you can expect it up to the 12,230 range, because 12,230 is the next level of resistance for the coming week. Meanwhile, of the support, if 12,100 got breakout, you can expect the market downside up to the 12,000 range. The supportive range will be 12,000 to 12,080, because up to 12,080 is a supportive range for the Nifty level. So if Nifty level 12,080 also got breakout, means you can sell the Nifty and you can expect it in the downside also. We are also taking more advanced trading strategy class, and we are also providing levels for commodity also, like crude oil, copper, zinc and gold. If you want to know about these details means you can WhatsApp or contact my number which is given below the video. If you want to open a Demat or trading account, kindly select the link in below description or contact the number which is given below the video. In future, if you want to see more videos like this means kindly subscribe my channel and select the ring bell. By selecting the ring bell, you will get the notifications continuously of my videos. By watching these videos, you will be updated on the market also. Thank you.